Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating this really beginner-friendly spring trendy nail design. If you guys want to see more videos from me, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. And before you go, don't forget to like this video. Let's jump right into it. I actually did this on my own. It was a freestyle. These are the colors we're going to be using, 359 and NB19. The 359 is from this brand called Resin on Amazon. I really love it. And NB19 is from Nails Bling Supply. I'm going to be grabbing some yellow gel polish, and I'm going to be making some French tips. So the reason why I was actually already started on the set was because I wasn't going to record it, but then I thought that I really wanted to create this cool design. The reason why I hadn't started recording yet was because I actually didn't know what I was going to do yet, and I ended up really loving this design, and I thought it was so cool and so different and kind of trendy with the silver little pearl beads, because I feel like a lot of people really like those. But I'm going to be starting off with a French tip. This is going to be with a yellow gel polish. I believe I mixed together some white, some yellow, and some yellow paint pot from Madame Glam, because it's really pigmented and I didn't want the yellow to be so see-through. So I'm just going ahead and I am painting on a French tip, and I kind of just freehand my French tips now. But if you're having trouble with French tip, I would recommend using a really long skinny brush and doing the A method, where you do a line on each side and then a line in the middle to make your smile line. I can do it in my next video if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a French tip on every single nail in this color. So at this point, I was almost done with my French tips, and I was kind of just trying to think about what I really wanted to do. I knew for sure that I wanted the French tips, and I knew I wanted to use some of my new charms. So this set was actually a spring freestyle design, and I really wanted to use my new nail charms. When I posted on my Instagram that I was going to have spring freestyles, I told everyone that I really wanted to use my new nail charms, and these are all the new nail charms that I had. Another thing I wanted to say is that the French tip doesn't have to be too perfect, because I'm going to be putting some charms on there in the center. But I did go ahead and grab this really pretty pearlescent chrome powder. It is just like a plain white chrome powder. I got it on Amazon, and I'm going to be applying it with the little sponge thing that it comes with. And you guys, I totally made a rookie mistake. I forgot to buff the nude part first. So if you don't want your chrome to stick to your base gel, always buff it, then apply the color, then apply your chrome. You know what I mean? So buff the nude base and then apply the yellow is what I should have done, but I totally forgot. So I'm just going ahead and applying my chrome, and I'll clean it up afterwards. But another thing about me is I don't actually put top coat first, then chrome. I actually don't think it's necessary. I just put my chrome powder right on top of my gel color, and it works really well for me. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. And then to clean up right now in a second, I'm going to just be using some acetone and a little brush. But I really love this chrome and how it looks. I love how it still shows the color underneath without you having to like use a black gel polish. Someone actually mentioned that in one of my last videos, that they love that I use colors underneath my chrome instead of using a black gel, because I just want the little bright contrast. I want it to be really cute for spring. So I ended up loving how this was looking. And here I am grabbing my little brush, and I'm going to be cleaning up the smile line. You can use a little bit of acetone, and no, it does not peel away your base gel at all. The only way it'll peel your base gel is if you have it like soaking for a long time, but I only use a little bit on my brush. My brush is just kind of damp with the acetone, and it works really well. And I do have a little lint-free wipe on the side to wipe the nails off with, or to wipe the brush off with, so that I can take away any chrome residue and I don't get it back on the nail. And yeah, I'm just cleaning it up as best as as I could without trying to remove the chrome from the actual French tip part. Next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying my top coat. I use Beetles top coat. It's really good, and I like to apply a nice thick even layer, not too thick but just very even. And I always like to make sure I'm cleaning up my edges as I go. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing that, and I'm going to do that on all the nails. I like to do this before I apply my charms, just top coat first, so I don't have to go top coat around every single charm. Because I knew I was going to use those little pearls right now at this moment, I definitely did not want to have to top coat around every single pearl, because personally I just feel like you don't need to do that. So now where I'm going to apply my big charms, I am applying my or I'm buffing out the nail only on that little section where the big charm is going to go, because I want the charm to have a little bit of grit to stick to with the glue. And the glue that I'm using is the Zulays Nail Shop Glue Adhesive. A lot of people always ask me what that glue is called, and it's just Zulays glue, and I will put it in the description as well. And these really cute little flower charms are from AliExpress, and I did do an AliExpress haul a few videos back if you guys were interested in seeing that. It's just really in depth, me showing you everything that I got. And I am trying to buff where I'm going to put my bigger little pearls. I don't know if these are called pearls or just, I don't know what these are called, you guys. If you know what they're called, let me know. But I'm just going ahead and applying these, a bunch of different sizes. I love them, and I actually got these from AliExpress as well. So yeah, I'm applying those. I decided that I wanted the nails to be a little more extra, so I went ahead in with some rhinestones, and I decided to place them around the little pearl things. And I wanted to apply these because I wanted the nails to just have a little bit more of a sparkle, but because the crystals are so small, you can't really see them, but it still adds a little extra something. These nails are very extra. They're not for a simple person. These are definitely for someone that is more out there, and I absolutely love these because the option, when someone gives me the option to freestyle, it's just so much fun for me because I get to do whatever I want, whatever my heart decides to do. And I've really been wanting to do a design like this for quite some time, so I finally got the chance to use these little flowers and these little pearls, and I feel like this design is super trendy right now. Like using these type of little charms is really trendy, so I'm really glad that I finally got to use them. And I really hope the person that is going to get them really likes it, because I know these nails aren't for everyone. But like I said, I got to freestyle, so I really wanted to do what I wanted. And yeah, so now I'm just applying I don't know, you guys. I have like an eye where I just want to put things in certain places. And I feel like if I need more charms in a certain place or certain rhinestones, I will put them there. And this is the finished result for this set, you guys. I really hope you liked this quick little tutorial. Really easy and really beginner friendly. And I hope you guys learned something new in today's video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you guys who support me and my videos, and I'll have another one up for you guys very soon. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.